Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Lofty AI for rental investing analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with Lofty AI, navigate to their official website. Locate the sign in button on the home page. Click the sign in button to proceed. On the sign in page, find the option that says create an account. Click on create an account if you do not already have an account. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and a secure password. Ensure your password meets the security requirements, typically including a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering your information, click the button labeled Sign Up or Create Account. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message from Lofty AI. Open the email and locate the verification link. Click the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Lofty AI sign-in page. Enter your email address and password in the appropriate fields. Click the Sign In button to access your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the authentication settings. Locate the API key section, usually found under the Account Settings or API Settings. You may need to generate a new API key if one is not already available. Click the option to generate API key. Copy the generated API key for your records. You will need this key for authentication purposes. Return to your application or platform where you wish to use Lofty AI. In the designated authentication section, paste your API key. Double-check that no extra spaces are included before or after your key. After entering your API key, click the button to authenticate or connect. Wait for a confirmation message indicating successful authentication. You are now ready to begin using Lofty AI for rental investing analytics. Explore the various features available for analytics and insights. If you encounter any issues during authentication, refer to the support documentation provided by Lofty AI. Make sure to keep your API key secure to protect your account and data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.